Hi, I'm Benjamin Kalish. I'm a reference librarian at Forbes Library. I'm here on this Teach Me Tuesday to tell you about Trello. Trello is a web-based list-making tool perfect for to-do lists and project management. I use it a lot myself for work and for my personal life. It helps me keep organized. So let me show you what it's all about. Trello's interface is designed on the metaphor of cards on a bulletin board. Each list is made of cards which have a front and a back. Here I am on my Teach Me Tuesday Trello board, which I created earlier. The first thing I'm going to do is to check off Create Trello Board on today's task. I click on the Create Trello Board card, and I check off the due date. Now, I could just leave it checked off there. I know it's done. But I like to move it to another list of finished tasks. I don't yet have such a list, so I'll create it now. I'm going to go to Add Another List right here, create a new list called Done, and now I can drag Create Trello Board to the Done list. You'll notice I have another task that is overdue. Here it is turned red, the due date, because I haven't accomplished it in a timely fashion. That one says shoot video. When I click on a card and I see this more detailed view with the due dates, the checklist, etc., this is referred to as the back of the card. The small cards that appear in your list are referred to as the fronts of the cards. This model with cards and lists is extremely flexible. It's one of the really wonderful things about Trello and also one of the most intimidating things about Trello. Trello's power comes from its flexibility, but its flexibility means it's up to you how to use it. I'm going to show you one workflow I quite like, a workflow I use for reoccurring tasks. I've created a list called Reoccurring Tasks. Each card on the list has a due date, and I've included in the name of each card an indication of the frequency. Once a day, once a week, sometimes I'll use once a month, or twice a month, or 3 times a year. That is simply for my own purpose to keep track of what the next due date should be. I can look at my list and see what is overdue, and when I complete a task, I'll click on that card, check off the due date, and I'll set a new date based on the information here. So I know that I want to do this once a day, so I should set this for tomorrow, the 30th. Now, I'm going to uncheck it because it hasn't been done for the new due date, close the card, and I'm going to sort my list by due date. It's now in a new position. I really like this method because it keeps the things that are overdue near the top and gives me great flexibility in deciding when to do things next. I hope you all enjoyed this very brief introduction to Trello.